Hi, my magical creatures, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is I'm going to talk about hair tinsels, what they are, and I'm going to teach you guys how to put them in your hair and everything like that, and my tips and tricks of me wearing hair tinsels. So before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It's a free way to help you out. So let's get started. Okay. So these are called hair stencils. I had bought these years ago, but I went in my storage unit and I found my hair stencils that I bought years ago off of Amazon, and I thought, oh my god, why not do like a cute like little hair tutorial video for you guys? So how I found out about hair stencils is that, and this video is not being sponsored, so sounds like it is, but it's not. How I found out about hair stencils is that I think I watch Eden the doll for sure. She rocks the hair stencils. I've seen Eden wear the hair stencils for years, the silver ones. But also too, I saw Trisha Paytas back in the day where she had like a hairstylist and a makeup team like every single day. I remember one of her videos, she had like gray hair, like silver hair, and then she had these gold hair stencils in her hair. And after I've seen Trisha Paytas with these in her hair, after I've seen Eden and Trisha, it made me want to get hair stencils. So, yeah. This is cute for St. Patrick's Day, but, oh, this is cute. This gives it like a mermaid, like, you know, thing. So, yeah, it's silver. I like the silver one. So, basically, I'm gonna show you guys, I found a really neat hack on how to put these in your hair. So when I was wearing them back in the day, like a couple years ago, a few years ago actually, I had like beads, and then I had like a metal hair loop, and so I would take a little hair section my hair and then like put the beads in, and then I would put the hair through the bead, and then also too I would clamp the bead, and then I would leave it in my hair, so I would have a bead with the little thing in my hair. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of that anymore because brushing, I would be able to brush my hair like from like here down, but the beads were up here, so I couldn't brush my roots out, you know? So my hair started to look like a bird's nest on top, and I'll show you guys a picture. But yeah, so after that, so the next also tip that people were doing too was, what were they doing? I seen on TikTok, like, because I guess the hair stencil trend is back. So I saw on TikTok, like, people were taking like their hair, grabbing like a piece of the hair stencil, and then tying it onto like a strand of hair in their hair. And they were doing it that way. And then I'll show you the pictures too with that. But honestly, I'm not a big fan of that. I've took years to grow my hair out. My hair is thick and full and nice. I'm not gonna put tie hair stencils into my hair, and then it just feels like that's like breakage, asking for breakage in your hair. And also too, like, you could rip that out of your hair easily. Yeah, so I'm not about to go bald or whatever. So what I came up with, I hope it works, because I hope it works. So definitely, but in my mind it works. So we'll see. But basically, I went on Amazon and I went ahead and I bought clip-in hair extensions, and not hair attached to it, but just the clip-ins. Let me open this so I can show you guys. So I went ahead and bought these clip-ins for your hair. They're actually for like sewing them onto like hair wefts and stuff. But instead of sewing on hair wefts, we're gonna tie hair stencils onto the clips, and then we're gonna put it in our hair. And yeah, so basically, want to go ahead and open the bag. I went ahead and bought the hair stencil that matched like my hair color, close to my hair color, so that way it can blend better and stuff like that. So you see how I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so you see how there's like 3 holes like on the sides of it? We're gonna go ahead and grab a hair stencil for each hole, and we're gonna go ahead and tie it, like double knot it into the hair hair clipping thing. So you're gonna have one stencil here, one stencil here, one stencil here. So the color that I'm going to be using today is silver. I like silver. I think I'm gonna do the gold one for like around the holidays, for like Christmas, Thanksgiving, Christmas time. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, but I definitely want to do silver. I think it's pretty. It looks like jewelry is in your hair. Like, it's just really pretty. So we are going to go ahead. Oh, that's crazy. I've never even opened this too. I've never opened the silver one. That's wild. I wore this one actually. This is the one I used to wear like years ago. Was it this one? No, I think it was this one. Yeah, I was rocking this purple light. That was cute. Yeah, you can tell it's like a pink, but this green one is super cute. Very like mermaidy. It's giving like little air, like the Little Mermaid area. Super cute. Yes. So okay, so we're gonna go ahead. You're gonna go ahead and open this. And by the way, too, like all the links down below will be to like the products that I use. So you want to go ahead, grab this. We are gonna go ahead and I don't know if I should take the whole thing out. I just want to go ahead and just take like a strand out at a time, if I can do that. Oh my goodness. No, I don't think so. I think you have to take the whole thing out. Oh, no, you don't. You just take one strand out at a time. Oh, okay, cool. You just take one strand out at a time. So you're going to grab your hair stencil. Oh, that is so pretty. Looks like pretty spider webs. I don't know. Okay, so you're going to go ahead. You're going to grab your hair stencil and then you're going to grab your clip-in. And then we're going to go ahead and just put it through and then just tie it. That's what we're going to do. And excuse me, I don't have any nails on, but I will have them on soon. I've just been moving boxes and everything. So like I'm still moving into my apartment, you guys. I've just been so tired and I don't even have that much stuff. I don't think I do. But a lot of my friends say like, you have so much stuff. Okay, so now that it's in the hole, we're gonna go ahead and double knot it, double tie it, double knot it. And let's make sure like the string, like make sure that it's even too at the bottom, like the two ends are even, you know, and not one is like overlapping the other. Yep, that's what I want. And then we're just gonna go ahead and tie that. Okay, well, now we got one clip in. Oh, I think it goes like yeah, we got like one, looks like two strands, but yeah. Oh yeah, it should be fine. That's cute though. Oh, we're gonna be looking cute, we're gonna be looking bad. Oh my god, so I don't know, like not to change the subject, but like who has been watching Baddies on the Zeus network? I've been watching that and I'm so sad. Like I feel like I've grown so much with the characters and then like now the show's like ending. I'm like, So, okay, so now that we got one down, we're gonna go ahead and do like the other. And then I'll definitely come back. Wow, this video is already at 9 minutes. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do like the rest. So basically you guys already know to do one end. So we're gonna go ahead and go back and do the rest. So I'll see you then. So when you're done, it should look like this. We're ready to go. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and part our hair and clip these in. So I like glitter and whatnot, so I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 of these clips on my left side of my head. is actually kind of cool. I'm actually really happy like this actually is working out. And not only that, my birthday is coming out, so this is gonna be like a really good like birthday kind of thing. Should I do 3? Maybe 2 is good enough. I think 2 is good enough. I think 2 is good enough. Alright, well I was gonna put 3, but I guess 2 is good enough. Okay, so I have them clipped in. So now I'm gonna flat iron my hair again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair. Okay, so now that we're done flat ironing our hair, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna curl it because I like curls. So when I'm done, I will get that. I'm gonna do 1 and then I'm gonna do like the rest off camera. All right, you guys, so this is the final look with the hair stencils in. I absolutely love them so much. They are so cute and it will attract a lot of attention, and I feel like I'm that girl because ain't nobody be wearing hair stencils out. Right, so, oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm like that girl. It's so pretty. I love it. It feels like glitter, like your hair is just magical, you know? I absolutely love it. So cute. Alright, well, this concludes the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay magical. Mwah.